Today we learn to design another business flyer for advertising on social media. So if it's your first time, please subscribe and turn on notification to get another tutorial. And if you have questions, let me know in the comment. So let's get started to the video. In this flyer, I have 4 important to put on it. The first is picture, main text, subtext, contact and location. To design your flyer, the first step we have to create a new document. I give 2 ways to create a new document. The first, we go to File, choose New. You can put the name, choose the size, everything what you want. And for another way, you just Control N. Okay, this is the full size that I used before, and we can see add photo, print, art, illustration, web, mobile, film, and something like that. But if you want to make by your own style and your own size, please take a look to preset detail. For here is the name of document. You can put what you want, and I put business flyer for advertising. For here, I change to centimeters. Width I put 21. Height I put 27. Resolution 300 pixel inch. Okay, color mode RGB. 8-bit. Background content I put white. Color profile sRGB 12 pixels and create. Okay, this is our new document. Before design, I tell it first. For save a new document, we go to File, choose Save As, and choose the place you want to save. Put here and click Save. Okay. For next step, I want to add card layout. So I go to View, I click on Card, choose New Card Layout. Okay. Take on Machine. All of them I put 70 pixels, and color. You can choose the color what you want, and I choose this color. Okay. And next up, I use rectangle tool, this one, and for the color we can change it later and draw it one. Okay. Double click to change color. I choose black. And next up, I use direct selection tool, this tool. Okay, I zoom it and I double click on the corner and drag it. And for next step, I use pen tool, this tool, and I choose sharp. Fill, I choose this color, and I can change later as well. And I drag a ruler to make sure it the middle. Okay, and I start from this point. Hold shift to make it straight. For here. Okay. And now we have a new shape, and double click to change color. Double click to change color of it. Select both layer and link it. And for next step, I insert a picture. I go to folder and drop it. Okay. And drag it down. And for next step, I want to add a rectangle around here. For the rectangle, I use rectangle tool. Double click to change color. Okay. I Ctrl J to make copy of it. Ctrl T, right click and choose flip horizontal. Okay. And add a rectangle below it, one more. I use rectangle tool. Double click and choose black. And next step, I add a rectangle, one more. I use rectangle tool. I choose this color. And I use direct selection tool. Double click and drag it. For opacity of this rectangle, I put only 20. Next step, I insert company logo. I go to folder of it and drop it. I add text over here. For add text, we can use text tool. You can tap or Ctrl V to paste. Let's see on paragraph. I select it. If I choose this one, it will like that. And I choose this like that. And if I choose this, it will see like that. But I want to choose the first one. And for font, you can change it what you want. Select and choose the font, something like that you want. Okay. For next step, I add text and some icon over here. I have it already, so I just paste it. For another side, okay, text is already. So I want to change color of this rectangle. I double click. I choose this color. And I want to add a line between this text and this text. So I use line tool. Okay, fill I choose none. Stroke I choose white. And I put 5 pixels. For next step, I add contact and location. And next step, location. I want to remind you, all of them just example and you can put the real one. Our flyer is finished, so I want to remove the card layout. For remove it, I go to View, choose Card and clear Canvas card. And final step, we export it to JPEG. For export, we go to File, choose Export and choose Quick Export as JPEG and choose the place you want to put it and click Save. Done. Okay, thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel to get another tutorial. And if you have a question, let me know in the comment. See you in next video.